Let's divide 12 by 5. So how many times does 5 go into 12? We'll use these steps here, and these work for all long division problems. So first we divide. Does 5 go into 1? Nope. Does it go into 12? Yeah, 2 times. Then we multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. We subtract right here. 12 minus 10 is 2. And then we bring down. Well, there's nothing to bring down. So what we can do is call this 12.0. It's still 12, but now if we put our decimal point here and here, we can just bring this 0 down, and then we go back up to where we start. 5 goes into 24 times. 4 times 5 is 20. We subtract 0, no remainder. We're done. So 12 divided by 5 is 2.4. If you take 2.4 times 5, you'll get 12. So that's it. This is Dr. B dividing 12 by 5 using long division. Thanks for watching.